Some of you are saying it's quite tricky to get the hang of this simulation that you've got for your assignment in third year physics. This is what you get when you open up, and I'm just going to take you through some of the controls and things just to make it a little bit easier. The wave source that you've got is listed up the top here. So you're being asked to use a half plane in the first instance, which is this bit here. When you go over the barrier here, you can see that it turns to yellow. Then you can drag it down and just take it across to the right slightly. And this is the diffraction that you're getting in this bit here. You can slow the simulation down, you can change the frequency, all these things here so it matches the numbers that you've been asked there. You can even see it in this 3D view, which is what the waves would actually look like if you're looking from above there. This is how you clear the waves, and this is how you change it between sound and different types of waves there. So remember, anything in yellow can be moved around. So if we you can restart it just by refreshing the page. So if we do that, and we could go right back by refreshing and we start where we were before. And in that case, we can add various things in terms of different sources, like a line source. And again, you can move that around. And if we go up to the top here and click on something, then you can right click there and you can delete a particular source. And you can add a box, solid box there. And again, if it's yellow, then you can move it around. So that should allow you to carry out all the simulations that are asked in the assignment. And I think if you try it, you'll actually quite enjoy it and you'll learn an awful lot more about waves and diffraction.